What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. I just wanted to kind of just bring an update to you guys and to the channel on a lot of stuff that's been changing. And one of the huge things you guys can tell is that there's no wheels anymore on the car. It's just like one of the big major things that's kind of I've been changing on, and I've been getting rid of a lot of stuff. Like I got rid of the welds. As you guys can see, we are in a new building now. I got rid of the trailer also that I had just purchased, which we're gonna go more into that in this video on why we did that and like more backstory about it. One of the big reasons is I just kind of wanted to downsize this year. Like I feel like I had a lot of stuff and just like a lot of money sitting, and I want to focus on getting this car back to the strip and just doing more more racing oriented stuff. And I got the trailer in purpose of going more to the strip and more stuff like that, to the drag strip. And the drag strip that I usually go to, which is Alamo City Motorplex, it actually just closed down, and it's in San Antonio, and that was the closest one to us. So now we're gonna have to kind of travel a little bit further, probably 3 hours away, to Houston to race the car. And it kind of just like killed my motivation on the car, and kind of to like driving to the strip back and forth. So I just got rid of the trailer, a little bit more money than what I bought it for, so I came up on some money on that. I feel like it'll be more beneficial to me and the channel, and doing extra stuff to the car with that money available. So whenever we do take it back to the track or whatever, I'll just rent a U-Haul like I was doing before. I just don't race the car as much as I thought I was going to. So that's a little backstory on the trailer. And then the shop, as you guys know, we were in that smaller shop before. I made a whole video on it, and this is kind of just gonna be like a life update kind of video, because I didn't want to make another video like, hey, we bought another shop. So this is the new shop that we're at. It's a 3-bay, and it's the same homies, Juan with the orange 3-valve with the LS, and Xavier, y'all know him from all the old videos. And then our homie Germ moved in. This is his S95 V6, but currently to be swapped for something faster. He's back there cleaning up. But yeah, man, this is our shop. It's a lot bigger. We're actually paying less here, and we have 3 bays to work with. So we're gonna be doing like some lighting upgrades and stuff in here, just so we can clean up in here a little bit more. And we got the nitrous and the nitrous refilling station and all that stuff going on. But back to the car, you guys are probably wondering why we got rid of the welds. You guys know the welds were one of my big goals for this car, and that I really wanted, and one of my dream wheels, honestly. But one of the reasons why is that I've just seen like on every single drag car, every single car that's kind of fast, all you see is Weld RTS S71s. Like that's all you see on these cars. And I just kind of got tired of seeing like the same style, and all I've ran on this car is black and polished. That's all I've ran on this car. I ran black for a little bit, and then I did a giveaway on those. You guys remember those SVE drags? I kind of want to go to an all polished setup. It's not going to be like full drag mode, gutted and caged and everything like that. It's just going to be a clean street car and get it ready for the swap in the future. And you guys know I really want to do a coyote swap soon. So for everyone asking me to build a 2-valve, I'm not going to do that. It's just something that I don't want to do, personally. For the horsepower per money, coyote swap's the way to go. My goal for this car is to have a 5.0 in it, and I just think that would be cool for this car. Yeah, just getting back to the weld situation, I am going to be doing a drag setup again, but I want to do bias in the front and bias in the rear, just so I could do as light as possible, which I was pretty surprised at. I weighed the welds before I got rid of them, and the fronts were like 33 pounds each, and the rears were like 35 pounds, which I thought they were lighter, but the radials probably put a lot of weight on those front runners. So be on the lookout for that. I'm probably gonna do an all polished look, and but really what I really want to focus on is just dialing in this suspension. And Cody from Straight Line Solutions, we just partnered with him. He's been doing this drag racing stuff a long time, and we plan to do some nice adjustable shocks in the front. You guys can tell this suspension is bone stock. It's just not ready for the track at all, and every single time I've launched the car, there's just no weight transfer. We got rid of the sway bar, so there's more transfer now, but you know, these are just lowering springs. I get asked all the time what my suspension is, and look at these old ass shocks. There's just like no things in here. And my dad actually gifted me the torque box reinforcements for this car. But yeah, that's really what we're gonna focus on soon. You guys will see soon that we are going to do full suspension workup on this. I don't know if I'm going to be doing it myself, but we are going to get it done just because my work schedule has been hectic. We've been having the weekends off, so I might be able to have some time to do it. Like another big thing, like I want you guys to know, and I want my younger guys to know too, is that you know, it's all fun and games, you know, stacking all this cash whenever you're living at home. And I got a lot of these comments on the videos too, like, oh, it must be nice to, you know, buy all this stuff, you know, you're living at home and stuff like that. I was paying all my bills, I just wasn't paying rent. And this day and age, right now, rent is expensive, and I didn't know that until I first moved in. And you know, I'm paying rent, which is feasible. I'm living comfortably. It's just, you know, with this hobby, you guys know this stuff's expensive, so I'm just trying to, you know, figure out a way how to balance life with the YouTube stuff, with the building car stuff. I'm never gonna give up the car stuff. That's, you know, like one of my big hobbies, and I'll never give that up. But yeah, I just want to let you guys know that I'm living by myself now. I'm paying everything by myself. Everything's under my name, and your boy has stepped up to that big boy, like, adult lifestyle. So I hope you guys, you know, don't get, you know, like annoyed with me not uploading, or me not uploading the content you guys want, you know, like putting turbos on my shit, or, you know, doing supercharger stuff, and, you know, stuff that those big channels are doing, because those guys are raking in like 10 grand a month or more just from, you know, doing YouTube videos, which I wish that was my life. I wish I was doing that, but I am grateful for what I got, and I'm grateful for, you know, the life that I live. I just want to, you know, be upfront with you guys. You guys have been with me from the beginning, and I just want to let y'all know that your boy's making moves, and I'm trying to, you know, figure the stuff out a day at a time, and the best that I can do so as, you know, a young 20-year-old. So yeah, I appreciate all you guys that are understanding of my situation, and that are here for any videos that I drop. For you guys that are still watching this video right now, you know, I appreciate you guys. And I know a lot of you guys don't know that I do have a Patreon, and those Patreons, I do update you guys, and I do, for those tiers that you guys are in, you guys do get the videos early as I edit them and are ready to drop them. I ask you guys when you want the video. If you want it now, I'll give it to you. But that Patreon, you know, that can help out a ton with future uploads, future videos, part of the build and stuff like that. So I'm gonna give you guys that option if you guys want to, if you guys love the channel enough, you know, to support it that way. If not, I you know, appreciate you guys just viewing the videos, liking the videos, dropping comments. You know, that is plenty enough. But yeah, I just wanted to update you guys and let y'all know that I sold the welds. I know the welds were a big milestone for this channel, and I was like, man, I want these welds, like they're my dream wheel. But let's be honest, guys, those things are turbo / supercharger money. That's expensive, how expensive they are. And I dropped a pretty penny on them. I got them for a good deal, but still, they're pretty expensive, and I sold them for $2,500, guys. Like, that's a lot of money. So I'm not selling them because I need the money. I sold them just because it freed up some money, and I could get a cheaper wheel and do some suspension upgrades with the money that those welds were taking up, you know what I mean? So I sold the trailer also, which, you know, in turn is gonna give me some more funds. So like I said, guys, just trying to take it day by day and do it as best as, you know, my knowledge allows me to. I'm just trying to figure out this whole adulting stuff, and there's no reason, you know, to beat around the bush. Like I said, you know, I feel like I owe you guys that, at least. You know, you guys are a big part of my life, and YouTube is a big part of my life. So I just wanted to bring this update to you guys. I don't want to leave y'all in the dark. I want to feel like a one-on-one connection with you guys, and I want y'all to know, you know, big milestones that are in my life. And one of the big ones was that I just got my own place. And it's awesome, man. Like, if you guys are younger and y'all are wondering if you should move out or not, yes, it's tough for the first couple of months, but it is completely worth it. You know, just having your own space, waking up and, you know, everything is yours under your name. There's just a different type of feeling, you know, you know, when you're on your own and, you know, you own everything that you got, and, you know, stuff like that. It's just a different type of feeling, and I love it. You know, even though that rent and light and water and everything like that is a big chunk of change coming out every single month, it's totally worth it, guys, and I wouldn't change it for the world. You know, future things that come are a bigger house, our own garage in the back and stuff like that. This is just, you know, just starting off. So yeah, I think that's all I got, and I think I am repeating myself over and over again. So I want to give you guys some positive advice. I started this a couple videos back and I kind of stopped once I took this little break off of YouTube, so I want to restart it again. I just want to give you guys some advice that, you know, things do get hard, and sometimes things feel like they're not going to let up, or they feel like, you know, they're too tough to handle. And believe me, guys, I have been there. I've been through all these trials and tribulations, and I'm here to tell you guys that it does get better and things do get easier. And if you keep on trucking, keep on, you know, just hustling and working, that things fall into place, guys. Just trust me on that. They do. And yeah, just keep on rocking, guys. You guys are awesome. If you guys enjoyed this video, please drop a like on the video. Please drop a comment. Let me know what you guys thought, and let me know if you guys are ready for some drag racing content. Let me know if you guys are ready for some suspension, some wheels on the car. That this car is just gonna be stupid mean. It's gonna be a dig monster. We're trying to 1.4, 1.5, 60 foot out of people's lives. So yeah, guys, Stick Nation for the win. We'll see you guys on the next video. It's your boy 4.6Chris. Thank you all guys so much, man. Thank y'all, literally from the bottom of my heart. Thank y'all so much. We'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.
You're about to get baptized.